Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display menu item on desktop device but hide on mobile layout using custom CSS in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to menu. Now you see home. Now scroll up, you see screen. So click on it and then enable this option CSS classes. So we are going to add CSS class and then we are going to add custom CSS and then you see home, expand it. Now you see CSS classes. So you can add class name like we added hide on mobile. If you have already added one class, then you can add space and then add another class. If you don't have this class, then you can add this class only, hide on mobile, and then click on save menu. So after that we are going to add custom CSS. Now menu save done, go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. Now you see media query, we are using minimum width 769 pixel and then you see hide on mobile, display block important. So above 769 pixel screen we are going to display menu item on desktop device, or above screen size we mention 769 and then you see again we are using media query maximum width 768 pixel, hide on mobile. So this is our CSS class and then you see display none. So below 768 pixel we are going to hide menu item and then click on publish, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So we hide this menu on mobile. On desktop you see. Now go to mobile, right click on it and then you see mobile simulator, activate. So we are in mobile layout. On desktop you see menu item. Now expand mobile menu. Now you don't see any home menu in mobile layout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.